Early pregnancy is one of the most rapid, relentless biological processes in the human body. Yet this sequence of hyper-accelerated growth can be halted and reversed by just 2 small pills. To understand how, we have to look inside the uterus. Shortly after fertilization, a tiny embryo embeds itself into the uterine wall. This environment is maintained by the hormone progesterone. It acts as the primary biological protector of the pregnancy. Progesterone provides a continuous biochemical signal to the reproductive system. It ensures the uterine lining remains thick and directs a steady blood flow. The embryo depends on this instruction to survive. If the signal stops, the biological infrastructure supporting the pregnancy collapses. Stopping a pregnancy doesn't require attacking the embryo itself. Instead, the process works by intercepting this specific life support signal. This interception begins with the first medication, Mifepristone. Once ingested, it enters the bloodstream to act as a targeted biochemical blocker. Normally, progesterone molecules bind to specific receptors on uterine cells, triggering the signal that maintains pregnancy. But Mifepristone occupies those same receptors. Because the lock is full, the real hormone cannot bind, and the survival signal stops. Without the hormonal signal, the blood vessels supplying the uterus begin to constrict. The nutrient flow to the area drops sharply. The uterine lining begins to break down. As the underlying structure fails, the embryo detaches from the uterine wall. At this stage, the biological development of the pregnancy has ended. However, the detached tissue remains inside the body. The first pill dismantles the internal support system. Now, the body requires a physical mechanism to clear the uterus. Several hours later, the second medication, Misoprostol, is introduced. This marks a shift from the quiet endocrine system to the powerful muscular system. Mifepristone binds directly to the uterine muscle cells, commanding them to contract, while simultaneously causing the cervix to soften and widen. Rhythmic pressure waves spread across the uterus, forcing the contents downward. This mechanical action causes intense cramping and bleeding. The uterine muscles physically bear down to expel the detached tissue. Symptoms like nausea, experiencing sudden chills, and deep fatigue signal the body is actively responding to the medication's command to clear the uterus. The uterus is essentially performing a condensed version of the labor process. It uses the same physiological mechanics as childbirth to empty itself. These intense physical sensations are the result of the muscular system clearing with the first pill detached. Once the pregnancy tissue is fully expelled, the intense muscular activity subsides. The uterus then enters a healing phase. Internally, the blood vessels repair themselves, and the uterine lining begins to rebuild. This line graph shows the chemical shift following the evacuation. With the pregnancy ended, the levels of pregnancy hormones in the blood plummet toward a stable baseline. As hormone levels return to their normal state, pregnancy-related symptoms like nausea and fatigue begin fading away. This pharmacological sequence relies on teamwork. One medication halts the development by blocking the endocrine signal, while the other activates the muscular system to complete the process. The procedure provides a targeted pharmacological override, resetting the reproductive system to its non-pregnant state.